Loud in here. Shoot some big guns in here today. Sound like 5.56 for sure. All right, you guys. So I'm in here doing this content for UTG and Leapers, and I'm getting ready to start the next little phase of content I was going to make today. I'm just trying to see the difference between 223 and 5.56 in a short barrel rifle with the standard muzzle brake and with you know, the other muzzle brake that I have from my friends over at Tactical Life. But my pistol doesn't have any sights on it, right? So it's fresh out of the box, no sights like most ARs, platforms come. And so I put some iron sights on it so I can just shoot it and test it. So I got to ripping my boxes open, and then I thought about it. I said, man, look, I'm gonna take this little price sticker off of here for my YouTube buddies. I took out the other box, but y'all see here, UTG. Dang, this one got a sticker on it too. So yeah, man. All right, come on. Here we go. There we go. All right, cool. So UTG. Super slim, rear sight, front sight. Make sure y'all can't see that pricing, you know what I'm saying? Front sight, you know. So then I already busted out the pack, so y'all can see here. All right, that's that rear sight. And it came with the tool, came with a little Allen wrench. See, bust this other box open. Front one came with a Allen wrench too. They feel like they're different sizes. Front sight.
Yeah, the sight. Actually, I feel like that's
pop-up sight. Well, we'll try to pop them out to get them on here. So I see the see it from the gun show. Still tagged from the gun show. We'll get that fixed, but y'all know it's clear in there. And this is my Tactical Life. Tactical Life. AR pistol. This is 7.5. You see, I got another look, man. UTG, stop playing with me, man. Hey, look, I be messing with y'all and don't even be remembering, man. Look at that. All right, y'all. We back live. Look, got them sights on there now. Still clear. Alright, clear. Just so y'all know, we clear. Right. Here we go.
Can I have it?
Pop up. Flip up. Now we.
As far as I eventually
ain't no way to really show y'all.
I'm like, nah, bro. You told me like last week.
And then what we have on here is just a standard A2 flash hider, birdcage style flash hider. You know, on a 7.5 Tactical Life rifle. Right? Pistol. All right. Tactical Life charging handle on that, upgraded. Tactical Life, ambi charging handle. So Forgot to load up my ammo. I know y'all don't really like watching that, but hold on.
I'm sorry.
It's all good. It's not your fault. Hilarious, y'all. Y'all know I be forgetting to turn on the camera, right? So start this all over again. 223. That's a 223. It's here. It's 223. This time, at least I'll count how many I put in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. See that? Right. There we go. So we just want to see, we try to check, you know, how loud this is, pressure. Woo! That's a lot, man. That's a lot, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. These little short barrel rock pistols, man. All right, y'all. Now we're going to the 5.56. 5.56. You see 5.56. And again, man, this little UTG Pro stuff is not letting me down. All right, y'all, 5.56. See that?
Here, but I'm gonna swap it out. It does, but not
5.56 by 45. See, this is way lighter. Man, these things are really loud. Really loud. Let's go back to the 223. See if we can't rattle a few off just for fun.
Yeah. So this amplifies sound, and then when gunshots go off, it cuts out. The decibel level.
And I should have been counting. But I'm not one counting at all. I'll just...
Okay, cool. You can't go wrong with Daniel.
All right, that's enough. Don't feel full, but it's full enough. All right.
Okay, yeah. I've got my 10.5.
I'm trying to tell y'all, when I'm letting them loose, I let them loose.
Well, you
Got another one smoking today. All right, y'all. So the next step in this process, man, I'm gonna get home, I'm gonna get to the shop, and I'm gonna change this muzzle device. I'm changing from that regular, this here, this is my tactical line, 8-ball. All right, so it's gonna give us, you know, this kind of muzzle brake. But when you pair it with this thing right here, when you pair it with this right here, you know, we don't want YouTube cracking on us, so I'm gonna screw it together down here so y'all can see. Bam. Alright, you get this little bitty thing right here, right? Bam. Now it's just gonna divert all that blast forward. Alright.
Yeah.
So yeah, so y'all hang in there for part 2.
Yeah, I see how this is parallax.
All right, guys and gals, gotta make it quick. We're running very short on time here. Actually, probably not gonna get it all done, but just wanted y'all to see. Y'all see that can right there? For YouTube's sake, we ain't gonna unscrew it on. All right, so we're gonna try it with this muzzle device first. All right. We got, I'm not for sure about that. This, I know for sure this is 223. All right, watch this. Thanks to UTG, we got the pop-up and the flip-up sights here. Again, 4 rounds of 223. Let's see what we got here. Woo, Lord. Woo. So that was 223. This right here is 5.56. It's the same 223 and 5.56 that was used in the previous filmings, in the part 1, the before and the after. All right. So this right here is gonna be 4 of the 5.56. Even. Ooh, Lord. That there's got a big punch, right? Packs a big punch, but now we're gonna take the shroud. This is the shroud. And again, I'm trying to block this so y'all can't see. Super easy, just screws right on. All right, so we're gonna go back with 223. All right. Went from not having no ammo to having too much. I can't even grab it all out. Thanks to my boy Pat over at the Gun Food. All right, so this is 4 223 with the muzzle brake, with the 8-ball now fully connected here. All right, so I can definitely feel how that concussion is being pushed forward versus before it felt like it was like right in front of my face, like right on my face. So last 4 here. Again, this is the 5.56. So yeah, that was definitely, to me, it was still concussive, but I can definitely feel the difference between it feeling like it's right in my face versus feel like where it's just kind of all being pushed out forward. So came to the range a little late, but can't leave without doing something a little fun. Let's check this target though. So that was like 7 yards, 8 yards, something like that. As y'all can see, you know, not so bad. A little bit bigger group in here. But again, I wasn't really necessarily focusing on being super accurate. Just wanting to see like the difference here. So mix up a little bit. That's some 5.56. Some of everything in this little grab in the loose here, but it's mostly 223. Some steel, some brass. We're gonna let the whole mag go here. Y'all hang tight. I know it sucks to watch me, my back as I load this magazine here. Oh. It's just a standard capacity magazine, but you know, one at a time here is just not the fastest. All right, I'm at the full yet. Counting would have made sense. Still going. That's it. So again, yeah, this is one of my UTG magazines here. UTG Pro. Let's see here. Let's just going to let a bunch loose real quick. So again, man, y'all know how I like to do it. Just let them loose, you know what I mean? Like, we in here just having fun. In and out real quick, because we really the last works on the lane here. All right. Even just kind of getting crazy, I still, you know, that's probably super low. But yeah, you know, 7, 8 yards, it ain't really nothing, you know, especially with this. But yeah, so, all right, y'all, let's see. We're gonna put all the footage together and see if we can notice, you know, a difference. To me, I definitely noticed a difference. You know, with this short platform in particular, the Tactical Life 8-Ball muzzle device is definitely something that I'm going to recommend. And you know, you start to see them on our short setups like this one here today. So stay tuned, y'all.